for Dr. Homi Bhabha Bal Vaidyanik competition, practical competition. You have to click on this link provided to you. Then you have to use your login ID and password specially provided on WhatsApp group. This is common for all, but for final exam, you will be provided new password one day before on Saturday. Then you have to click on login. Then you have to click on the start button. Now, these all systems, location, camera system should be allowed in your part. Then got it. Continue button. Then click on your photo, save and next. Again, click on your ID card, save and next. Now you have to confirm these two photos. You have to confirm this and then proceed. Now waiting for authentication. This needs 2 to 5 minutes for final exam. Remember this very well. You have to wait for that authentication. Now read this information at the time of final exam. There will be your information. Read all the instructions and then click in this box. I have read and got it. Click on got it. Now your experiments will start and your timer will start. That at the final exam there will be 40 minutes. Remember that. Now there is 30, but we kept 30 for your practice. But final exam, we will get 40 minutes duration for that. Now keep your mobile horizontal and then on full screen mode so that all the information you can view from 2 feet. Now after completing the first experiment, click on next button to get the second experiment, to get the third experiment, then fourth and fifth. Remember that you have to complete all 5 experiments within 30 minutes. 6 minutes for each experiment. One more thing you have to remember, after completing first experiment, you have to show your answer sheet in your video. Here we can't show because it is a screen recording. Now, after completing 5th experiment, if you click on next button, your question number 6 will appear there. Now you have to hold your mobile in your hand to take photos and to upload. Now this 6th question doesn't become green. No question become green. Don't worry, because we are uploading the PDF of 5 pages in question number 6. So we need only 6 questions, 1 answered only. Okay. Now click on home button to take photos. Now select Adobe Scan. I am selecting Adobe Scan. You can select any scanning app. You have to take the photos of all your pages. Scan it carefully. Remember that you should have to adjust the borders also of pages. If any photo is not clear, you have to delete it and upload the fresh photo. Remember that you can complete this process within 2 minutes to make a PDF. It doesn't take any more time. Okay? But be careful at the time of taking the photos. Now I am taking the photos of any pages. These are not answer sheet pages. This is just only for your guidance. After completing all photos and scanning of 5 photos, you have to click on these photos so that you can view those photos. You can view those photos. Okay? All 5 pages. All 5 pages. This is important. How to make the PDF and how to upload it. Now we are making the PDF. Now view the pages. If any page is not clearly seen, you can replace it. To replace the photo, we have to first delete that original photo, and then you have to click on one more minute. Yeah, now you have to click on add page, then take another photo and upload it. Okay, now after 5 experiments you have to rename it. Remember that you have to rename it by your login ID, which will be provided to you at the time of theory exam also. That will be same for final exam. Remember that only new password will be provided to you one day before the final exam. Now we have renamed it. Now save the PDF. Save this PDF. It will be saved in recent PDFs or recent document. Okay, so this will be available in recent documents, so don't worry about that. Okay, now again click on this home button and then select the page of our system. Now we have to upload the PDF here. We have to upload the PDF. But before that, clear this 6 number still yet not become a green. Now click on browse button. So these 3 options will be there, but you have to click on only file button and search in that recent files your online means login ID number. Select that file. So now your file will be chosen. Confirm it by your login ID number and PDF. But yet this 6 question not become green. After uploading it, it will become green. So now the file will be successfully uploaded. How to get that 6 question? Click on these 3 lines at the left hand side of top. Yeah. So now it will turn green. So 1 question answered only, question number 6. Don't worry about first 5 questions. Now if we can to view, you have to check. So you can click on go back button also. Okay, remember that. Accidentally you click on submit button, you can go back and check it. Now I am clicking on submit button. Now remember that exam is submitted successfully, but please wait while recording is being saved. Now your recording being saved, so you have to wait for some time. It may take 2 to 3 minutes. In between that, I am giving you some informations. Once again, you will receive login ID and new password for your final exam one day before, that means Saturday. You have to use that login ID and password for the final exam. There should be 3 minutes gap between 2 logins. Sometimes while making the PDF, you may log it out. Don't worry about that. After 3 minutes, again you have to log in and submit the PDFs. Now remember that now this is a recording is successfully uploaded. Now you have to click on close button. Now your exam is over. So best of luck for practical competition.